Okay, pockets. So this is my lining, this is my front piece. I need to, okay, I'm going to put this one aside. So it's going to be like this, right? So that's why you need to place your lining over there. And what I'm looking for, I'm looking to align this edge, and what I also need to align, I need to align, let me clip it so you can see it better. Okay, so I want to align my side seam edge. Okay, and as you can see, my seam allowance goes a little bit up, so that's why I want to align my side seam first, and then I'm going to, let's just clip it so you can see. So see, I don't align my edge over there, because once I stitch it, I turn it, it's going to be turned, so it's going to be go like so. Okay, so that's why I'm not really worried about this edge, but I'm need to be worried about this edge. Okay, let's start sewing, and my seam allowance is 1 centimeters. Okay, it's 5 centimeters. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 3/8, around 3/8. So I usually kind of eyeballing. I developed this, habit to eyeball. So, since I'm sewing for such a long time and every day. Click, click, click. Okay, here you go. I wanted to have this distance open, because once I finish my pocket, I need to be able to run a serger all the way around. So I wanted to have this piece kind of hanging out. So then I'm going to move to the second piece. I just need to top stitch my lining. And see what I'm doing? I just flip it this way, so all my seam allowance looking to the right now. And I'm going to run this top stitch line, okay, like so. And I wanted to increase my stitch length up to 3. Why I need this top stitching line? Because see, I didn't go to my ironing station, I didn't waste my time. So but doing this top stitch, you achieve this nice look. So your lining naturally folds under, so you won't see any lining from this angle by doing the top stitch. So actually, like, top stitching, it actually helps to save your time and not to go to the ironing board, and also it holds the lining on the on the wrong side. Okay, the first one is done, and then I will go and press it for sure. Okay, my second one. That's my lining. That's my lining. Once again, I wanted to see my clear side seam. Let's go there. Okay. Decrease your stitch length.